Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, today we're going to be in my living room and I'm going to show you guys how to create a little vignette for Easter, and it's going to be displayed on my coffee table. They're super easy and fun to do, and then I'm going to decorate my foyer table for Easter, and then I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek around the house of a couple little projects that I've been working on. So let's get started. Well, most of the items that I purchased are from Home Goods, so this is one of the items that came from Home Goods. Now I have this tray. I love the wood element because I am trying to bring in a little farmhouse into my living room, and I love the white that's on here. So we're going to be using this tray to create our vignette, and I think this was priced around $14.99 or $16.99. I don't have the price tag on there. And then also from Home Goods is this adorable little bunny. Also the wood element with the raffia little bow here, and he was priced at $16.99. And then I was able to find another set of these stacked books. I actually found the one that said, "Oh, hello, spring." I thought it was perfect for my coffee bar since I was decorating for spring. So I switched this one out since we're going to create an Easter vignette. It says Happy Easter, and I did remove the buffalo check ribbon on here and put the raffia on here and just tied a little bow there. And these are priced at $12.99. And then I also found this little hurricane little candle holder. This is in silver. This was priced at $24.99. It has a bee here, and then there's a little bee over there on that side. And then I added a little moss in here. And then what I'm going to be using is this LED candle inside there. Now, I purchased these on Amazon. I can't remember the price. They might have been under $20. They came in a set of 3, and of course I'm using the other ones in some of my other displays around the house. And then I have this moss here. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby last year. We're going to use that in the tray. And then I have a couple of these little moss Easter eggs that we're going to be using. I have about 4 of them. And I think those came from Hobby Lobby too. So when creating your vignette, we're going to be decorating around a light source, and you always want to use odd numbers, and then you want to also bring in some different varying heights when creating your vignette. So let's go ahead and put this together. Well, we're going to decorate my foyer table that's here. Now, I know you can't see it, but when I'm done, I'll give you an overview of what it looks like when it's finished. It's a very small little table as you come in my front entrance here, but we're going to decorate it for Easter. So I have a few little things here I got from Hobby Lobby. These little lamb's ear wreaths, I think these were priced around $2.99. I have 2 of them. And I am going to be using these rustic candlestick holders that I got over at the Barn Antique. It's a little store that's down in Lake Alfred near me. It's probably maybe about a 30-minute, 45-minute drive. I picked up 2 of these. They're very rustic. They have beautiful decor there. I think I visited there probably about a year and a half ago, but I just love that place. I would love to go back. So I picked up 2 of the candlesticks. This one's priced at $15.99, and then there's the smaller one here, probably $13.99. And then what I like to do is I have these little K-cups here. You pop them in here upside down, and then I can add my lighting to it to give it a little height. And then I think from Hobby Lobby, I also got this little bunny here. There's not a price on him, so I'm not sure what he cost. But a lot of their Easter stuff was marked 40% off when I was shopping. And then this little bunny here was from last year. I think this also, they still have this bunny over at Hobby Lobby. Not sure of the price. And then I have these buffalo check little carrots here. Now these are priced at $5.99, 40% off. And then I also have the orange ones that I had from last year. I may use these for a little pop of color. They're bigger. I'm not sure, but we'll play around with it and see what we come up with. Well, here's a look at my formal living room that I've been working on. I love the drop cloth curtains so much that I was doing in the office. I decided to do them out here in my formal living room. And you know what? Guess what? It started a whole new project. So I've been working on these curtains. I finally got in my buffalo check pillows from Walmart, and I absolutely love this slip cover. This also came from Walmart. It was around $30, super cheap. And now online they have it priced at $87.76. So I was surprised to see it priced at that higher price when I purchased it for $30. And I was thinking the slipcover was a little light, but you know what? After seeing it day after day, I think the light color really brightens up my space here, and I absolutely love it. And then the Farm Charm sign came from Hobby Lobby. I think it's really cute, but it's a little small. So my husband said with the shiplap boards we have left over, definitely gonna make another sign. So it's gonna be super easy. We're gonna glue the wood pieces together. We're gonna pick up some of the little metal lettering, and we're gonna create our own little sign to go in this space. I think it will look a lot nicer once I get the correct size in there. And then this is a look at the vignette I just created for you guys. And then over here for Easter, I went ahead and pulled out this runner that I had from last year. I thought the color was perfect. The only thing that I did different, the little bow here, it was bright blue, and I picked up some ribbon. So I went ahead with this color here, this light taupe color, and made a little bow on this end over here, and then one over here. So I think that looks really nice here for Easter. Well, here's a look at my formal dining room. And I went ahead and brought the curtains in here as well using the tan buffalo check curtains. Now, what I originally did was I got the drop cloth curtains in the 9 feet, and I started right here where the window blinds are. And I tell you, I put them up and I was waiting on the valance to come in, and something did not look right. They just didn't look as nice as the living room. So I decided that the curtains needed to come all the way up here past this window here. So now what I need is the 12-foot length in the drop cloth. And the problem I'm having is every time I open up the package, they are sewn together. So I definitely don't want that because it's right in the middle, and you're gonna see that the pieces were sewn together. I'm gonna have to wait for some more to come in the store and check the packaging and make sure they're not like that. And then of course, if they are, I might have to switch to a different brand, and we'll just have to wait and see. But for right now, I'm gonna be holding off on the curtains. And then the other thing I did over here was this wreath from Hobby Lobby. I think that looks really cute over here on the mirror, and it matches really well with my corner piece here that I used the lamb's ear, and then I also used these little picks, and the picks actually match real close to the wreath that's on the mirror. And then the other thing I'd love to do, I would love to make this more farmhouse, is getting a new farmhouse table. And then my other idea is to do something with this burgundy wall here. Now I almost thought about painting this table, which is still a possibility, but then I hate to paint this little china hutch here. This is Broyhill. My husband bought that for me. I'm sure once it's all done, it would be nice, but once you start one thing, then it always leads to more things being done. Then I'll have to change the fabric on the chairs. And then my husband absolutely loves this mirror. He says we are not getting rid of that mirror. So my thought is maybe getting a farmhouse table with a dark wood top would look nice, and then keeping the other pieces. Well, I have my little squirrel with me, and he's getting more and more active by the day, and we named him Tucker. One of my subscribers left me a comment and said we should name him Tucker for me tucking him in the little blanket every night when he sleeps and during the day after all his meals. So his new name is Tucker, so I thought I'd share with you him again. He's getting very active, and he is just the sweetest little thing. Now earlier I had him on my shoulder, and if you guys go back and look at the video, as I turned around in some of my stuff, there's squirrel poop. He actually pooped on me, and he peed when I had him, because after I got done feeding him, I had him on my shoulder, and I thought, oh, I'll take a video, you know, talking while he's on my shoulder. Next thing you know, in my video, there's 2 little poop things on the side of my shirt. But anyways, that's okay. He's really cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. And then with everything that's going on, I'm definitely staying home. There's a lot of projects that I need to do around the house that will keep me busy. I know some people probably have to go to work, but I just want to say that, you know, I'm definitely going to try to stay home and stay out of the stores and around large crowds of people. I always have so much stuff to do around the house to keep me busy. And I just hope and pray that this is over soon and we can all go back to our normal lives. But now this would be a good time that our kids are home and people are working from home with their jobs. You know, we can spend more family time together. And I think that would be, you know, we have to think of the positive things rather than always focusing on all the negative stuff that's going on right now. So I hope everybody is staying healthy. And like I said, just enjoy your family and try to get some rest. Do your little projects that you need to get done around the house. So until next time, happy decorating.